All well aware that OpenJDK have come up with a new version called JDK 22. It has bundled with multiple features, but I just wanted to pick one main feature in this video, and that's all about the statements that we can write before the super call. This is still on a preview mode. We are yet to get the standard release, and that can be expected in the near future releases as well. But in order to get the glimpse of it, I have just taken some snippet of code here. As you can see, I have written some parent class, and this parent class is carrying an argumented constructor up here, and it also has an instance variable. Down, if you see that we have a child class, and this child class is exactly extending this parent class. This is a well-known snippet which everyone knows about, how a parent class and a child class relation exists within the Java program. But what we can see here is we have an argumented constructor up here in the child class as well. I'm naming the child class as super keyword, but this is not a super class by itself. Our super class is none other than the parent, and the parent class is actually extended by the child class. The only thing that you have to notice here is this child class constructor, which is also an argumented constructor, is actually applying a call to the parent class constructor. So this is the parent class constructor. In order to invoke the parent class constructor, the very first line that's written up here is super of, forwarding the argumented value to the super call, because the parent class constructor is still carrying an argument in it. That means it's an argumented parent class constructor which I am giving a call to it by using the super of. So what is the traditional rule here is if in case I want to apply some certain code for this particular constructor, which is practically possible only after invoking the super call. That means I need to drop my set of statements after the super keyword is placed. So as you can see here, we have written an if condition where I'm checking the rating. If it is less than or equal to 0, then we need to raise an illegal argument exception, and the message should be thrown as non-positive values. That means we are not going to accept the negative value as a rating for it. So either the rating should start from 1 or more than 1, but if it is 0 or less than 0, then technically it's going to raise an exception. But the problem here is we apply a check here, but the check is applied post passing that rating to the parent class constructor. So here the compiler doesn't LTS because traditionally it's the right approach. After invoking the super class constructor only will be eligible to place the statements. But what Java 22 states is we can drop this check even before we give a call to the parent class constructor. But technically there is an error here. This error is highlighted because the compiler doesn't accept this version of statements, because we cannot call a super call after writing a set of statements. Always the very first statement that goes into a constructor is super of, or it could be within the same class constructor call can happen, and that's all about the this of. But we are not talking about the this of right now. It's only for the super of. So the super of statements can't reside after a set of statements inside the child class constructor. So that's the traditional rule. But now we are going to bypass that rule, because from 22 onwards it's going to accept the set of statements which we can write it before the call to the superclass constructor. This makes pretty sense because we are checking first whether the rating is less than or equal to 0. If in case it is less than or equal to 0, then technically we are not going to give a call to the super of, because we are explicitly going to throw an illegal argument exception. So what we are going to do right now is we are going to check how this code is going to execute. But technically this is not going to happen right now, because we have an error that's been popped up. If I go to the compiler, so here I have my compiler. The very first thing that we want to check here is the version. Right now my version is 22. That means I've already installed the JDK 22 on my Mac machine. So as you can notice that we have a 22 which is installed in this system. But even though we have Java 22 installed in the machine, if I just go and compile this code, so I'm going to say Java C space, let's say super, or the super keyword.java, because that's the file name that we have. So let's save this file once again and let's give it to the compiler and see what the compiler is going to yell at us. The compiler is going to yell at us stating, hey, listen, you have written a super off statement after a few lines of statement, which is not acceptable by this compiler. It is still on a preview feature. So when it is still on a preview feature, we cannot run these statements just like that when the compiler is yelling at us. So what we are going to do right now is we are going to enable this. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up the line of syntax. So here it's Java C space --- enable -preview. This will help us in enabling the preview mode, and followed with the release for which this preview mode to be enabled is for the 22. So there are two major options that we need to use here. One is enable -preview, another one is release, and the release will say which version of the release this preview mode to be enabled, followed with the file name, that is superkeyword.java. So by this way, if I give enter, now you can see there is no error that's been raised by the compiler. So now technically I've placed a super off next to the set of statement, but still the compiler is not saying anything, but only a notification comes up stating that this particular file is compiled under the version of 22. So now what we have to do is we need to compile them. We need to run this code and see how the output is going to be. So if we go ahead and run this program, in order to run this program, we are going to use the Java space -enable -preview followed with the class name. And if you hit enter, it's going to throw an exception. That exception states that it's an illegal argument exception, that's non-positive value. So as you can see, the snippet of code is executed, this if condition is executed, and it is raising an exception where we have a non-positive value, and we also have the call to the super class is arrested because we already raised an exception up here, right? So by this way, we can ensure that before we pass some value to the superclass constructor by calling a super keyword, we can validate them, and then if the value is valid, then we can pass it on to the superclass constructor by calling it through the super off call, and this rating makes more sense, and it's more of a valid value which can be manipulated further inside the parent class constructor. So now if we give more valid value, instead of -2, I'm going to give something like 3 as a rating. Now in this case, if I'm going to compile it, and so let's say I'm going to compile this file again and I'm going to run it. So it's Java space -enable -preview space the class name, and here it's pretty good. User rating 3 is printed.